Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Doc, and welcome to Doc's World. I encountered a problem. I was playing a game. I'm using my Xbox 360 controller, and I noticed that the mouse speed sensitivity was too slow. So I'm going to show you guys today how to increase that. So usually, well, the one that I had the main problem was the turning with the right stick. So in Xpadder, what you do is you have to increase the speed of each one individually. So you would click on the top one first, and then here's the same area, and you would click on this little wrench, and then you would increase it. Now originally it was at about 35, so all I did is I bumped it up to about 9900. You click OK, and then you close that, and then you do the same for each one. There's the down one, move that up to about 100, click OK, close that. You go to the right one, you click this wrench, you move that up to about 100, you click OK, close that, and then you click on the left one, and then you click on the wrench, and you move that to 99, click OK, close that, and then, so now I'm using my controller, and it just moves a lot faster. Let me go back to my camera mode here, and even it's not perfect, it's not really quite yet like what it should be, but at least I have now the knowledge to kind of, see, I'll move my sub around here. At least I have the knowledge to kind of, see, it's a great improvement still, and I can play with the settings to find the perfect, perfect speed later. But that's it, guys. That'll help you increase the mouse sensitivity of your Xpadder controller settings. Okay, guys, have a good day. Great, good luck with your games and everything. All right, bye. Take care.